Hello and welcome to another episode of Road and Race. In this episode, I just wanted to cover off a few little quick and simple little mods that I've done to my 350Z. First up, I never really liked the burger badges that Nissan put on the car. There are a lot of existing Z badges on the car, and what a lot of people do is they just simply buy the larger Z badge and replace the burgers front and back. There are also Nissan logos on the wheel center caps, and you can buy Z ones too and replace them. Lastly, I've always wanted to replace the license plates on the car as they're cracked in places and have the original dealer logos on them. You can get much smarter plates now and they're easy to swap over. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it, starting with the badge removal. So the two Nissan badges off the car and the surface cleaned up of all the glue and stuff, you could just stick the new badges straight on. But there was a small problem. The badges I ordered, I could only get them in a super glossy black finish, and that wasn't really the look I wanted to go for. There's a lot of existing kind of metal look plastics on the car, and that's kind of a matte finish. So that's the kind of finish I wanted for these badges. So here's how I changed their colour. Well, I think that looks a lot better now. Kind of matches the whole car a bit better. Next up, let's get those wheel center caps swapped out. A subtle change, but one I think looks quite smart. Anyway, on to the final change, getting these license plates changed. These are the 4D plates that were sent to me from numberoneplates.com. They're called 4D as, unlike normal plates that are flat, these have a raised font. Obviously they're road legal. You've also got the option to make the license plate as short as possible, which I think is a much nicer look. There's a full configurator on their website, so you can further customize your plate with borders, flag badge, or even a small slogan. If you're interested in some, then you can get 10% off with my code, which is on the screen now, and I'll also put it in the description box. Whilst the old plates were screwed in, I've opted to use sticky pads to fit the new ones. Both kits can be bought from Number One Plates as well. So there you are. Let me know what you think of the mods, and if you think there's any other kind of quick and easy mods you think I should cover on this channel, let me know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.